umngani wethu ukuthi ngeke aphinde empilweni yakhe uzumbone ethenga ingubo zokugqoka kwaDunusa. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi nibangakhe la enthenga ingubo kwaDunusa. Ukhona lapha yana elokhuzeni. Lo ugcwele nje eSouth Africa kwaDunusa ukhona lapha ngase workshop naseGoli ukhona lapha ngase rank lapha phezulu ngase North khona nje phithi silapha. Okay, so sanibonani ke ubungulo indlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzana nini endlebe. So sihlangene la namhlanje sihlangene ngomngani wethu ke ufuna simxoxele istory sakhe athi hayi yena ngekuphinda umbone edunusile nje ethenga ingubo zokugqoka. Lapha na kwaMtapo sithi eKZN ngiyatapuna. Uthi sisike so kuthe ngelinye ilanga nje uthi bekasebenza kuphi eGoli and she had a friend and benomngane wakhe they were very close, like they were really close. Bebe rent apartment ndawonye behlala ndawonye kanye nomngane wakhe. Uthe and then nje every time abaya emsebenzini babuya ndawonye kanjalo because they were working in the same company nomngane wakhe. So they rented a flat bahlala bobabili to just so that bazokwazi ukuthi ba save imali bakwazi ukuthumela imali ekhaya and also save money so that they can have their own things. Uthi ke kuthe ngelinye ilanga nje they decided umngane wakhe wathi and then hayi asambeni sekaDunusa usisi wayethu ufuna ijacket bese kuzongena iwinter eSouth Africa. So umngane wethu athi and then ufuna ijacket but financially she couldn't afford ijacket. Wasithi umngane wakhe no but we can go kwaDunusa siyothenga ama-jacket. Kuyenzeka laphana babe nama-jacket amahle laphana la kwaMtapo. Nangampela ke umngane wethu ke abe siyasuka ke ahambe nomngane wakhe bahambe baye kaMtapo. Bahambe bafika kaMtapo uthi bazame ke kunama stand ke lana amaningi nje ona ama Nigeria amanye onwa nje abantu nje abaningi bangaphandle. Uthi ke afike ke kulo ma stand uthi ke baqale ke baphequlule bamove on umngane akhe athenge ke na izinto ayifuna athenge and then baqhubeke baye kwesinye stand baye kwesinye until wazofika ku stand esidayisa ke ama-jacket. Uthi sisi ngiphequlule ama-jacket, we trying them on, we need to make sure ukuthi ama-jacket afita. Uthi I'm very curvy so I want to make sure ukuthi i-jacket iyangilingana esiswini. Uthi nangampela nasemzimbeni nje ukuthi iyahlala nasezandleni ukuthi ihlala kahle. Uthi nangampela ngitry maybe ama-jacket amathathu ngize ngithole this jacket. Uthi ngithi i-jacket yeBurberry le. Uthi ngithatha i-jacket ngithi mina I just wish ingangilingana ngele bese yayithatha i-jacket ayiphose emzimbeni ayilinganise athole ukuthi i-jacket iyamlingana. Akhokhe ulokhuzana my guy athatha 200 rand wakhe uthi akhiphe akhokhela i-jacket abese beyahamba nomngane wakhe useyitholile i-jacket yakhe. Uthi i-jacket yakhona was really nice and nje i-jacket yakhona ibe right. Uthi afike endlini ayiwashe i-jacket ayineke ayibeke toilet bathroom like kwilokhuzana kwi-rail le yeshower. Uthi ayihenge khona ayilinda ukuthi iyome kusasa. Uthi nje vele izinto babeyinika khona makuthola ukuthi kumakhasa. Uthi bese alinda ukuthi kuse ngakusasa i-jacket isiyomile. Ayithathe ke usisi wethu umngane wethu i-jacket ayigqoke ahambe aye emsebenzini. Uthi ke like i-jacket yakhe was so beautiful and you could tell ukuthi it's a brand. Uthi wonke umuntu nje wevela amncome nje ukuthi hawu i-jacket yakho yazayinhle i-jacket yakho emsebenzini nje ukuthi why talk of the town. Uthi ke so benomngane wakhe they just said they went to Burberry and bought a jacket. They lied, they didn't say ukuthi enene bayithenge kuphi kwaDunusa. Okay, so umngane wethu uthi enene okay but that day mangigqokile uthi ngizwe ukuthi man there's something uncomfortable but uthi I can't tell. Uthi umoya wami just went down nje emsebenzini that day. I was not okay, like I was really down engathi khonto wrong engenzile or there's something wrong that happened to me. Uthi aqhubeka asebenze that day. Uthi everything went well and agoduka ekhaya. On her way home uthi makangithu uyangena nje because bagibela ama-taxi bamba ngama-taxi benomngane wakhe. Uthi makathi uyangena nje itaxini udriver vela akhuphuke naye amthithisa nje. Uthi hayibo ukuthi ngoba ngiyabasaba otaxmen basenorth ngivele ngixolise like ukuthi I'm so sorry if khona into engikwenze yona uthi angithethise nje udriver ngithethise uthi ngixolise ngizihlise uthi sigoduke sekhaya but nomngani wami nami naye umangele ukuthi and then wena why lona kuthethisa wenzeni simangele sobabili uthi wonke umuntu even ngisho eTexini umuntu wayeshockekile nje ukuthi and then kwenzekalani uthi sihamba isikhathi uthi njalo ukuthi iwinter yonke like I was wearing this jacket engangithenga kaDunuza like but every time uthi into I notice ukuthi every time akagqoke le jacket something bad would happen to her uthi but wengazi ukuthi lezi zinto zenzeka because of le jacket le something bad would happen to her uthi uqala wathi soil wa taxman uthi ngelinye ilanga uyawalka emgaqweni ucishe ushayiswa imoto and uthi imoto abengayiboni iqhamuke nje esikhaleni then ucishe yamshayisa imoto ehamba nomngani wakhe uthi imoto ya stop eduze kwakhe to a point where uthi she was like oh my god like what is going on uthi but nje impilo yaqhubeka but this is a favorite jacket uhamba naye emsebenzini uthi hayi umngani wethu kuqhubeka kanjalo ukuthi kube nezinsuku sometimes mawafika officeini when it's not cold uyakwazi ukuthi ayikhumule ayibeke but sometimes makubanda kakhulu emsebenzini bevule iAC uthi ngangigqoka leyo jacket the whole day uthi mangigqokile leyo jacket the whole day nje ngalelo langa igazi lami lalingishiya or uthola ukuthi kuzocomplain umsebenzini ngami uthi angiyena umuntu othanda ukukhuluma nomuntu oxoxayo emsebenzini but umngani wami base close naye uthi ama boss they were very good with us and very kind with me but all of a sudden they started changing bahlale benje bekhuluma ukuthi then angisebenzi umsebenzi angizimisele ngawo uthi mostly they would do that mangigqoke le jacket leyana okay uthi sometimes makasemsebenzini uthi yena she wasn't paying attention to patterns uthi bese makafikile emsebenzini sometimes afika ikhumule ayibeke uthi ugeli like I would be fine uthi mind you nganginawo ijacket ngoba ngangisanda kufika eGoli and ngangisanda kuqala kulo msebenzi engangisebenza kuyona uthi now I'm struggling ukuthi umsebenzi angwenzi and I was working ngisebenza kwi call center uthi umsebenzi angwenzi kahle and nje like sengathi kodwa imina who was thriving la emsebenzini and doing great uthi mostly mangayigqokanga ijacket uthola ukuthi and then when I'm calling clients and doing all these things ngiyakwazi ukubafonela and ngibe right and everything is fine and kuhambe kahle nje uthi futhi that day would never argue with my bosses sihlala si right sizwana uthi ngigqoke futhi intambama ngigoduke ngekhaya and nje kukwenzeka izinto there was always commotion and chaos uthi but one thing engifuna ukuntshela kuyona uthi the day engabuya nalo ya jacket which I also didn't pay attention uthi sesihlalile for almost a month with umngani wami kule apartment but for the first time after ngibuye nale jacket I started having sleep paralysis lena kabathi ke sleep husband kusamangazi nesibiza kanjani isipoke nge-sleep husband yona leyo uthi waqala waba ne-sleep paralysis intontoni uthi and then uyacinezelwe umngani wethu uyacinezelwe uthi avuke ekseni like okay like ibuyimiyeke lento alale yavuka ekseni uvuka fatigue and exactly she's tired and now she has to go back to work uthi still aqhubeka lokho esebenza uthengelinye ilanga esebenza kanjalo emsebenzini nje bese uncomfortable nje kakhulu uthengelinye ilanga as she was going home ehamba naye umngani wakhe umile la edrobheni uthenga umbila yena umngani uGuy umngani wethu hold on umngani wakhe uthenga umbila umngani wethu yena she was crossing the road ejahe ukuthi afike erank ukuze akwazi ukuthi amesi taxi because itaxi yabo yayihamba ngesikhathi if ehlwele engafuni ukuhlwela endleleni bengakafiki endlini nangampela umngani wethu makathi uthi uyacross umgaqo ukuthi qhamuke imoto esikhaleni ashayiswe imoto makashayiswa imoto umngani amemeze umngani wakhe ashiye lo mbila amemeze abantu and kwaba nesekele edrobheni uyazi ke emagcwele edrobheni kwaba nesekeli kwagcwala abantu bamngungama uthi kwabizwa iambulance umngani wethu wathatha uhamba wayesesibhedlela umngani wethu then masesibhedlela then she started calling her parents and letting her know ukuthi ayibo things are not working out in Joburg because umngani wethu uphuma kuphi eCape Town uyeza part 2 uthi kumngani wethu ke afonele abazali bakhe abatshela ukuthi usesibhedlela abazali bakhe bashockeke because they thought she was cycling very well lokhuzeni eGoli abese yabatshela abazali bakhe ukuthi noma actually atshela uma wakhe mostly at noma you know there's been a lot of things happening empilweni yami nje ever since like after a month of me settling in Johannesburg ukuthi I started having issues kanje ayibali zonke lezi zinto ukuthi and then nje ungathi unebhadi nyana nasemsebenzini abamthandi nje akhona okokuqala nje bisimshayisa imoto akhona okokuqala uke wathi ngelinye ilanga ethi uyahamba imoto ecishe yamshayisa uthi even ngisho everywhere la she's going ngisho emsebenzini like she gets nje energy nje that is not good uthi also lately uvela shawo uvalo nje I feel ngathi maybe the world is on top of her as if umngani wethu uthola some form of depression or anxiety like utamtshela uma wakhe besithi hey mntanami that doesn't make sense like you were just so happy yesterday nje ukuthi usebenza lapho and then all of a sudden now you're going through this uthi umake umuntu okholelwayo kubantu ababonayo but uma as a person okholelwa kuma psychic you know uthi abesethi uma wakhe uzofonela psychic which is a medium like ma psychic lawa belungu uthi uzofonela yona psychic bese I'm connected with indodakazi yakho ukuthi ayikhulume ne-psychic uthi nangampela ugeli ahlale esibhedlela that's okay but we're gonna have to do that while ususubuyile esibhedlela uthi nangampela ugeli ahlale esibhedlela uvuvukele umlenze mkhulu akaphukanga but imoto imshayisile to a point where unje she wasn't okay avuvukele umlenze nangampela ahlale esibhedlela until aze kube ngathi uyalulama usiyakwazi ukuhamba agodukiswe ahamba ekhaya afone emsebenzini abatshela ukuthi batshelileke emsebenzini umngane wakhe also had to report and also take incwadi zakadokotela ukuthi umngane wethu usesibhedlela nangampela umngane wethu abuye ekhaya uthe makabuye ekhaya ahlala seklishe in within afonela uma wakhe amtshela ukuthi sengibuyile ekhaya ubaba wakhe ajabuleke ababuza abazali ukuthi do you want us to come to Johannesburg sizohlala nawe or to check upon you because umntwana oyedwa kubo athi usisi noma it's okay I'm going to recover and then go back to work so I don't think ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibe nesikhathi sokunihosta like that la and also she's trying to save money okay so abese umngani wethu ayasuka emva kwalokho bese yamtshela kuma ukuthi you know besivumelene ngokuthi and then uzongikhulumisa ne psychic yakho so I think we should sikhulume naye khona ngizoza ukuthi like what's going on because nami I am a bit worried nangampela umngani wakhe kabuye emsebenzini abuye bahlale bobabili ke then the psychic iphone my phone psychic ikhulume nogeli mayikhuluma nogela umngani wakho ukhona la so psychic is on loudspeaker ikhuluma kanje bakhuluma kanje ku WhatsApp psychic ikhuluma isingisi kakhulume naye usisa bese ethi hi unjani amtshele ugela ukuthi I'm good how are you abese yasho ukuthi no I'm not okay so I just wanted you to check what's going on you uma ungitshelile ngawe kanje ukhuluma isingisi abese ethi psychic no that's not a problem aqaleke athi okay we need to ambuze what's your favorite color qala amtshela ukuthi color yakho umbala njani ambuze ukuthi what's your full name igama lakho la government amtshela ambuze date of birth amtshele abese okay yabese yathula ke psychic bese yathula ivala amehlo uthi mayivala amehlo bese yamtshela ukuthi there is something engibona there is like a dark cloud over you but I can't tell you what it is athi there is a certain energy that is around you athi khona yini umuntu ke wakushonela kulezi insuku athi ugel no akekho umuntu ushonile ekhaya like athi do you have a sibling that died athi ugel no anginayo sibling yashona mina athi I'm sensing an energy yomuntu useshonile and that energy iyona lecindezelile that is causing all these problems because it's a soul that needs to be removed away from you ugela abe confused more than ever khulu psychic it and then other than that yeah I'm you're gonna end up losing your job because this energy is asho lento le yenzeka kugela ukuthi le energy le imenza ukuthi like because it's an energy that is not good so imenza ukuthi aqabane nabantu because the first thing people see babona lo moya omubi ke nebusweni nasemzimbeni wakhe ababoni yena Isaikiki, then he's like, even now as I'm talking to you, ngikwatile, like I don't like this energy. It's just not a good energy. It's a spirit umuntu owashona, but umuntu obengenayo inhliziyo enhle nomuntu ongenayo uthando. So that energy is all over you as I speak. Kusho isaikiki. Umngani uhleli la uyazama ukulalela baloku bebhekana ke nomngani wakho ukuthi uyamuzwa like ugeli naye athakazi lutho akazi ukukhuluma ngani bese avala usayikhipha ucingo abese ugela phone luma wakhe ambuza uma wakho ukuthi ma ukhona yini umuntu ekhaya washona or sibling yami yakashona to ma cha you're the only child and we wanted to have the umntwana oyi1 asinayo omunye and akekho umuntu owakwashona esimaziyo ekhaya like that esingacabanga ukuthi angahlala kuwena but ke sizobe sidla amathamba engqondo. Uthi ubaba wakhe bese yasuggest ukuthi maybe kuzomela sihambe siye kumuntu obonayo siyobona umuntu ke manje traditional healer to check ukuthi what's going on. Uthi siplane ke nabazali bami ukuthi at the end of June I'm going to take a vacation emsebenzini after 6 months of me working because I can only be allowed to take a vacation then bese ngihamba ngiyagoduka and go back to Cape Town so ndizokwazi ukuthi ndiyocheckisha kumuntu wesintu. But my parents didn't believe in all of these things, you know. And umnganami, so as isiqeda phone call, we suggested kanjalo ubaba bese ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngizoza ngoJune. And then we started talking with my friend and we talked like sikhulume, we're trying to analyze what happened and we're trying to figure out ukuthi all along when you were here you were fine and now like so ne energy ethile. Uthi umngani wakhe naye yasho ukuthi no man we need to maybe get a second opinion like umngani wakhe athi uJune is too far, you know, so maybe we should get umuntu obonayo khona la eGoli and just look around and maybe sizomthola umuntu obonayo and we will definitely and si consult again. Uthi nangempela they went because babantwana they still in their 20s. They looked around on social media because abayijwayele izangoma lana bazimuntu. They look around on social media uthi they were just trying to find isangoma eseduze nje kubone eGoli. Uthi up until another lady emsebenzini suggested ukuthi kukhona omunye umama ohlala somewhere in Soweto omama wakaKhumalo. So lo mama lo uyena umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi enene hlamba anibonelele wanika inamba umngani came with the number. Then that weekend bahamba baya kulo mama wakaKhumalo. So mabahamba beya kulo mama wakaKhumalo beyobheka bayafika lapha nomama wakaKhumalo akekho because they got a phone number and the address but they chose ukuthi ngcono baye khona because wathi lo wagele kuyagcwala so they must just go. Nangempela bahambe mase befika khona bayafika like bebengakafika eyadini exactly lo mama bayezwa bayafona sebeyasho ukuthi ba somewhere around the area bafuna ama directions are proper asho umuntu wakhona ukuthi obamba ucinga ukuthi no akekho uma uhambile kanje uyo lapha somewhere else please ngicela nibuye ngosuku olukuthi okay asho ugeli ukuthi kushuthi isonto lonke and then ugela hambe aphindele endlini nomngani wakhe baphindele endlini they went back to work Monday they went back to work ugeli akakazenzi zonke lezi zinto lezi. Girl went back to work makabuya emsebenzini still kune commotion like there's really a commotion and she's wearing yona le jacket nangesikhathi ehamba eya kwilokhuzana kwisangoma lesi nje bakuthiwa sikho nje uthi wayegqoke yona le jacket le. She's wearing this jacket. Uthi like I click lento ukuthi possibly yonke lento that I'm going through has to do with this jacket. Uthi nje connect amadoda wahlangana. Uthi up until emsebenzini one day boss yakhe yamtshela nje ukuthi you know what you're not good at what you're doing and also you just got sick and bungakayiqedi ngisho probation we are deciding to terminate you. Uthi athi ha like uthi yazi bongiwe I'm such a working hard person. Uthi ngumuntu osebenza kanzima nje I don't understand ukuthi what do you mean by terminating my contract yasemsebenzini. Uthi wangiphelela kanjalo umsebenzi uyeza ke upart 3. Okay ke uthi umngani wethu ke ashokeke and nomngani wakhe babukane like ukuthi like what the hell is going on like it's like impilo yakhe is going in shambles nje. Uthi already so umngani wethu had a boyfriend khona eCape Town and boyfriend yakhe had planned ukuthi izoza izombona eGoli. Uthi nje after she lost a job and then ayifonele ke boyfriend yakhe uthi bebekhuluma nje all the time bebe right mostly uthi ayifonele boyfriend yakhe ayitshela ukuthi and then okay umsebenzi wakho uphelile and boyfriend was very emzwela because uthi umuntu bekamthanda uthi and then kuphela isikhathi and then boyfriend isiyamtshela ukuthi and then angeke ikwazi ukuthi ize eGoli izombona because he is busy with his own stuff uthi ngikhuluma ngomuntu mina who obenginakekela like in terms of phone calls like obe prioritize mina all of a sudden he's never disappointed me or telling me ukuthi ngeke azakwazi ukuza uthi when I ask ukuthi why ungeke ukwazi ukuza uthi his reasoning nje was not the best nje uthi nje wathi nje ngeke ngikwazi ukuza ekhaya wasichaza nje uthi wabika izaba uthi you know I just realized from then on ukuthi nje there's something wrong with me and it deep kakhulu and I need to fix it like everything uthi when I told my parents they still ask me to come back home and I was like I can't come home because you know ngiyasebenza but ngaso sikhathi umngane wethu besiphelele umsebenzi vele but bekangabatshela abazali bakho ukuthi akasasebenzi uthi so I was planning to lie up until I find another job uthi umngane wakhe bese amthathe amhambise bagcine sebehambile ke baye kumama uKhumalo mabafika lapha yana kumama uKhumalo bamthole ke that day ufika ugqoke le jacket le abese umama uKhumalo athi imani lapha eminyango athathe amanzi abusisiwa wathandazela umama wathandazela amanzi bese yabachele ngawo athe ingane yami kunento uhamba nayo manje engathi yasinda uthi ugirl ngixaye ukuthi and then what's going on like ngiya realize that there's something wrong with me but I don't know what's wrong with me uthi abesamchela abatshela ukuthi and then abakhumula ama jacket bawabike lapha abakhumule necathulo bangene esigodlweni sakhe nangampela bangene esigodlweni sakhe mabangene esigodlweni sikhumule jacket eshiye eminyango athi and then ay usu right nje yonke into manje right uthi and then bese yamtshela ukuthi ngathi khona into ke baqale kumama kapho Lokhozi uthi umama khona womthandazi but also wekwazi ukuthi afunde aride umuntu ngamathambo uthaqala umuntu umama phosa amathambo akhe athi hayi abheka ubheka ekhaya athi angiboni lutho umntanami aphinde uthi bese yamnika ikhandlela alibambe lip gloss ekile but ngizodemonstrate ngayo uthi amnika ikhandlela athi akakhulume akalimise kanje bese yakhuluma shigama lakhe akhuluma bese yaliphephethe ikhandlela bese libuyisela kulo mama alibuyisele nangampela ikhandlela lo mama light ikhandlela libeke phansi abese yaqala ayahlola kukhona umngane wakhe ubamba bobabili nomngane wakhe bahleli bobabili because babesabe Soweto uthi bahleli bobabili uthi bese aqale lo mama athi hawu tanam kunento eyisilwane kulandelayo uthi yini leyo wahamba akhulume nje ukuthi yini leyo ahamba umngane wethu wayoyithenga afika nayo eyamenza ukuthi abe nesilwane uthi umngane wethu makakhuluma lo mama like uyakhuluma bona umuntu makahlola sometimes uthi and then awumuzi usisi kahle uzama ukulalela because you're not sure ukuthi and then uthini because uqala ngale zinto vele ozaziyo vele ukuthi umuntu uphathwa ikhanda uthi abesethi ya kukhona into ekulandelayo and lento le ihamba nento owayithenga but angachazi like uthi akhulume nje ngendlela nje ongakwazi nawe ukuthi uyihlanganise u1 no1 ukuthi uphuma u2 uthi aphume confused lo mama lo wabesethi okay ngizokunika izinto ufike uyisebenzise lapha endlini kodwa mntana mfuna ukuphinda ubuye uzogeza nangampela bahambe nomngane esibehamba lendleleni umngane azama ukuyianalyze lento athi hayi ngeke you know ngicabanga ukuthi into ekwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ube naleli bhadi leli ile jacket umzilo lo mama ohlolayo makathi kukhona into wayithenga eyayihamba nobumnyama the only thing oyisanda kuyithenga la eGoli was a jacket because of amakhaza uthi umngane wethu everything just clicked ekhanda lakhe kwahlangana ukuthi hayibo ngempela and from then on waqala wabona izinto ukuthi hayibo kwenzeka ukuthi ngosuku ukuthi ngiqokele jacket kwenzeka ukuthi nasemsebenzini mangigqokile kanje uthi wayikhumula wahamba nayo makafika eflithini labo wafika wayishiya eminyango ebalcony uthi wasebenzisa lezi zinto zalo mama wasebenzisa lezi zinto zalo mama akuphelanga ngisho 3 days emsebenzini bamfonela bathi enene akabuye emsebenzini they want to give her another chance just to see if she's still you know not good emsebenzini wakhe uthi lo mama lona wemtshelile naye ukuthi makaqeda ukusebenzisa imithi yakhe abuye eze azogeza. Uthi ugeli base yabatshela emsebenzini ukuthi ngeke akwazi ukubuya this week, ucela ukuthi abuye ngesonto elilandelayo because ugeli wanted to make sure ukuthi enene uyagoduka. Bese eyahamba ke ugeli aye kulwa mama futhi afika amtshela umama ukuthi no, ngalela kwakhuluma ngokuthi khona into engayithenga ehamba nobumnyama. Mina nomngane nami siqeda ukuhlanganisa ukuthi enene into engayithenga engisanda kufika le goli le jacket le. Uthi umama ayithathe le jacket ayibambe. Uthi makayibamba aqale lo mama lo akhulume ukuthi ya amtshela ukuthi le jacket lena kunomuntu owayenenhliziyo embi owayumnikazi wayo oyigqoka, and washona lo muntu washona eyigqokile, and this jacket was i-favorite jacket yakhe, but kwakumuntu owengena umuntu onenhliziyo enhle oyomuntu olungile. So the mawugqoka le jacket yakhe lo muntu lo uyavuka, and nakhona hayi ukuthi uvuka uyalwa because when you are wearing a jacket yakhe. That's why you had sleep paralysis. Kuyima umama eyiqeda istory usiqeda ngobe seyibambile le jacket kwayena uqobo. Ayithatha umama le jacket athi asambeni mntanami bahambe nayo. Uyahamba ngalolu sikhathi usisi uyogeza, bahambe nayo ijacket, bahambe bayogeza. Afika umama laphana bayibeke lapha edwaleni emfuleni. They went emfuleni, ukhona umfula nje lapha ngaselokuzeni eGoli, but phakathi eGoli. Bahambe baye emfuleni. Mabafika lapho bafike uthi umama bese ayithatha ijacket ayiphose ayibeke lapha eceleni, abese ngale uthi bese yamtshela ukuthi akayishiye ngale, abese cross umfula ayabuya eze kule side elingala. Nangampela benze uthi ngalesi sikhathi besangale kumfula uyamenza ngenkukhu ngoba umama wethe akaphatha inkukhu, amenze ukhipha le energy le. Abese ethi akayishiye lapho ke leyo jacket leyo, abese shiya no piece wenyama. Nangampela ayishiye lapha, abese yakhuluma ukuthi umnikazi uyaxolisa le jacket wayithengile bengazi ukuthi eyakhe, abese ayishiya leyo jacket. Bese becrossa umfula, bacross umfula sebeyahamba beza the other side of umfula. Usezogeza ngomuthi wokuthi manje ususa lo muntu lo kade usezosusa lo muthi ade usebenzisile ukususa isilwane or umuntu oshonile, because manje it's like lento behavior njengomuntu oshonelwe lo kumngani wethu. Uthi ke nangampela cross over geza bese beyahamba nenyanga ke umama lo bethi athi umama don't look back, just go. Uthi ngihambe bongiwe ngiyahamba, uthi ngahamba uthi nomngani wethu until saqasha sathi masifika kulo mama lo because kwase kulate kakhulu, saqasha uBolt sahamba saye eflatini. Uthi mangifike eflatini ngalelo langa uthi bongwe ngalala ubuthongo for the first time. Kade ngilungi iba ne-sleep paralysis. Uthi ngalala ubuthongo zwi because lo mama usinike into ukuthi sichele endlini lesihlala. Uthi if it wasn't for umngani wami ngabe angazi ukuthi ngaba njani. Uthi but kodwa kwangifundisa lapho ukuthenga izinto lapha kwaDunuza. Uthi asoze ngithenga into because leyo nto mawuyithenga uyazi noma kade igqoka umuntu onjani, awuyazi leyo energy leyo ithathayo engubeni oyigqokayo ukuthi kusuke kuyi-energy njani. Uthi ke akasho ukuthi ningazithengi ingubo but uxoxa yini experience yakhe so that nizokwazi nani ukuthi nibone ukuthi nenze njani. If there's someone who've experienced something like that, ngicela ungene ku-DM or ubhale la ku-comment section usho ukuthi wena kwenzekani kuwena, khona ngizothatha lezi story ngixoxela abangani bethu. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Ubongiwe lo Indlovukazi, and also follow me on YouTube, on Facebook. Nje ubuka i-advert nje ku-YouTube uyiqede. Ku-Facebook just follow, Instagram Ubongiwe Indlovukazi nje wonke ama-social media platforms. Nginethanda, hooray, bye. Yes.